In this video, we delve into the topic of a hot tonic specifically designed for chronic arthritis, aiming to provide relief from joint pain and inflammation. Our purpose is to educate viewers on how this natural remedy can potentially alleviate discomfort and improve overall mobility. Throughout the video, you can expect to learn about the various ingredients that make up this tonic, their health benefits, and how they work synergistically to combat the symptoms of arthritis. Addressing joint pain is crucial, as it not only affects physical well-being, but also impacts daily activities and quality of life. By exploring natural solutions, we emphasize the importance of using ingredients that are gentle on the body while still being effective. This approach not only promotes healing, but also encourages a holistic view of health. We will highlight specific herbs and spices known for their anti-inflammatory properties, providing insights into how they can be incorporated into your daily routine. Engaging with these natural ingredients allows us to take a proactive stance in managing arthritis symptoms, fostering a sense of empowerment in our health journey. Join us as we uncover the potential of this hot tonic and explore how it can serve as a valuable addition to your wellness toolkit. Joint pain is a common condition characterized by discomfort, swelling, and stiffness in the joints, often closely linked to inflammation in the body. Inflammation occurs when the immune system responds to injury or disease, leading to swelling and pain in affected areas. Chronic arthritis, a long-term inflammatory condition, can significantly impact daily life, making simple tasks like walking, climbing stairs, or even holding objects challenging. The persistent pain and reduced mobility can lead to frustration, decreased productivity, and a diminished quality of life. As individuals struggle with these symptoms, it becomes increasingly important to seek effective solutions. While conventional treatments often focus on pain relief through medications, there is a growing recognition of the need for natural remedies that can help alleviate symptoms without the side effects associated with pharmaceuticals. Natural ingredients such as turmeric, ginger, and omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to possess anti-inflammatory properties that may provide relief from joint pain. By incorporating these remedies into daily routines, individuals can take a proactive approach to managing their arthritis symptoms. Emphasizing the importance of holistic health, we encourage viewers to explore these natural options as a means to enhance their well-being and regain control over their lives, ultimately fostering a more active and fulfilling lifestyle. In our hot tonic for chronic arthritis, we utilize a blend of powerful ingredients known for their health benefits, particularly their anti-inflammatory properties. The main ingredients include turmeric, ginger, lemon, honey, and coconut water. Turmeric, a vibrant yellow spice, contains curcumin, which is renowned for its potent anti-inflammatory effects, helping to reduce joint pain and swelling. Ginger, another key ingredient, is celebrated for its ability to alleviate pain and inflammation, making it a staple in natural remedies. Lemon adds a refreshing zest while providing vitamin C, which supports the immune system and helps combat inflammation. Honey not only enhances the flavor of the tonic, but also possesses natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, promoting overall health. Lastly, coconut water serves as a hydrating base, rich in electrolytes, which can help maintain fluid balance in the body. Preparing the hot tonic for chronic arthritis is a simple yet rewarding process that can be done in just a few steps. Start by gathering your ingredients: 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, the juice of half a lemon, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 cup of coconut water. Begin by boiling 2 cups of water in a saucepan. Once boiling, add the turmeric and ginger, stirring well to combine. Reduce the heat and let the mixture simmer for about 10 minutes. This simmering process allows the flavors and beneficial properties of the ingredients to meld together effectively. After simmering, remove the saucepan from heat and strain the mixture into a cup to eliminate any solid pieces. Next, add the fresh lemon juice and honey, stirring until the honey is fully dissolved. For an extra touch, you can blend the tonic briefly in a blender for a smoother texture, but this step is optional. Feel free to adjust the recipe based on your personal taste preferences. For instance, you can add more honey for sweetness or increase the ginger for a spicier kick. Experimenting with the proportions allows you to create a tonic that suits your palate while still reaping the health benefits. Enjoy your hot tonic warm, and embrace the natural relief it offers for joint pain and inflammation. The hot tonic for chronic arthritis offers a multitude of health benefits, primarily focusing on reducing inflammation and alleviating joint pain. The combination of turmeric and ginger is particularly powerful, as both ingredients are well known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin, found in turmeric, has been extensively studied for its ability to inhibit inflammatory pathways in the body, while ginger contains compounds that can help reduce pain and swelling in the joints. Together, these ingredients work synergistically to provide relief from the discomfort associated with arthritis. Additionally, the inclusion of lemon in the tonic brings detoxifying effects that can further enhance overall health. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, which supports the immune system and helps the body eliminate toxins. This detoxification process can contribute to reduced inflammation and improved joint function. Honey, on the other hand, not only adds a natural sweetness but also possesses soothing properties that can help calm irritation and promote healing. For optimal results, we encourage regular consumption of this hot tonic. Incorporating it into your daily routine can help maintain lower levels of inflammation over time, leading to sustained relief from joint pain. By making this tonic a consistent part of your wellness regimen, you can empower yourself to manage arthritis symptoms more effectively and enhance your overall quality of life. When considering the use of the hot tonic for chronic arthritis, it is essential to take certain precautions to ensure safety and effectiveness. First and foremost, we strongly advise viewers to consult with their physician before trying any new remedies, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions or are currently taking medications. This step is crucial for understanding how the tonic may interact with your individual health needs. Particularly important is the potential for interactions with medications, especially blood thinners. Ingredients like turmeric and ginger can have blood-thinning effects, which may enhance the effects of anticoagulant medications, leading to an increased risk of bleeding. Therefore, it is vital to discuss your current medication regimen with your healthcare provider to avoid any adverse effects. Additionally, individual health considerations play a significant role in how your body may respond to the tonic. Factors such as allergies, sensitivities, and underlying health issues should be taken into account. Everyone's body is different, and what works for one person may not be suitable for another. By prioritizing open communication with your healthcare provider and considering your unique health circumstances, you can safely explore the benefits of this hot tonic while minimizing any potential risks. Your health and safety should always come first in your wellness journey. To fully enjoy the benefits of the hot tonic for chronic arthritis, we recommend drinking it warm. Consuming the tonic at a warm temperature not only enhances its soothing properties, but also helps to promote better digestion and absorption of the beneficial ingredients. The warmth can provide a comforting sensation, especially during colder months, making it a delightful addition to your wellness routine. For those who prefer a refreshing twist, consider serving the tonic iced. Simply prepare the tonic as directed, allow it to cool, and then pour it over ice for a revitalizing drink on hot days. This variation can be particularly enjoyable during the summer while still delivering the same health benefits. Additionally, you might experiment with using the tonic as a morning substitute for your usual beverage. Mixing it with your morning smoothie or incorporating it into a breakfast bowl can be a delicious way to start your day with a boost of anti-inflammatory goodness. We also encourage viewers to share their own serving ideas and variations. Whether it's adding a sprinkle of cinnamon for extra flavor or blending it with other fruits and herbs, your creativity can inspire others in the community. By exchanging ideas, we can all discover new ways to enjoy this beneficial tonic while enhancing our health and well-being. In this video, we explored the numerous benefits of the hot tonic specifically designed for chronic arthritis and inflammation. By combining powerful ingredients like turmeric, ginger, lemon, honey, and coconut water, this tonic offers a natural approach to alleviating joint pain and reducing inflammation. We discussed how the anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric and ginger work synergistically to provide relief, while lemon aids in detoxification and honey add soothing qualities. Regular consumption of this tonic can empower individuals to manage their arthritis symptoms more effectively and enhance overall well-being. We encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends and family who may benefit from this information. Your support helps us reach a wider audience and continue providing valuable content on holistic health. Additionally, we invite you to explore our related content and recipes that focus on natural remedies and wellness strategies. There's a wealth of information available to help you on your journey toward better health, and we're excited to share it with you. By embracing these natural solutions, you can take proactive steps in managing your health and improving your quality of life. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.